Hello and welcome to Team Lewis channel, and today in this short video I'll show you how to fix anti-cheat error in Fortnite. So please watch video carefully and it will fix your problem. So before starting video, if you are new to this channel, then hit subscribe button and let's start a video. So last step is to verify Fortnite. This verification step is the last step in this video, and hope so your issue is fixed after following all these steps. And now just run and enjoy playing Fortnite. So that's all for this video, and don't forget to like the video